Namaste, Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. We have started our new chapter, Ratio. We are clearing our concept about ratio. So, we are explaining the given two example, that is of pen and pencil, and the another was Isha and her father's weight, right? So first of all, we have expressed the ratio of her father's weight to Isha's weight by 75 upon 25, that is 3 as to 1, right? So 3 upon 1, in the ratio we write here 3 as to 1. Then the next, the ratio of the cost of pen to the cost of pencil. Now see here, the cost of pen. The cost of pen is 10 rupees and the cost of pencil is 2. So 10 as to 2. Okay, so it is 5 as to 1. So 5 as to 1. Next. The ratio of cost of pen cost of pencil is 5 to 1. Let us look at this problem. In a class there are 20 boys and 40 girls. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of students? Okay, see here. Number of girls. So how many girls are here? 40. And total students, boys 20 hai or girls 40 hai. So 20 plus 40, what will get here? 60. Okay. So girls 40 hai, 40 upon 60. So let's see here. First we need to find out the total number of students, which is, so number of girls plus number of boys, that is 20 plus 40, we get here 60. Okay. Then the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students is, see, number of girls are 40, 40 upon 60. So see here, 40 upon 60 means if we simplify, 0 0 will be cancelled, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, it is 2 upon 3, that is 2 as to 3. Get it? Now next. Find the answer of part B in the similar manner, that is the ratio of boys. So how can we calculate? Boys कितने हैं? 20, 20 upon 60. 60 क्यों लिया? Because the total number of students are 60. Okay, so 20 upon 60, 0 0 will be cancelled, 2 upon 6, that means 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 will be the ratio of B. Get it? Okay, let's consider the next example. The length of house lizard is 20 centimeter and the length of crocodile is 4 meter. I am bigger, 5 times bigger than you, says the lizard to as we can see. It is really absurd. The lizard length cannot be 5 times length of the crocodile. So what is wrong? Observe the length of the lizard in centimeter and the length of crocodile is in meters. Can you see this picture? आपको लिजार्ड दिख रही है, छिपकली अपने घर में जो पाई जाती है वो, और उसके सामने कौन है? क्रोकोडाइल, मगरमच्छ. तो वो मगरमच्छ से क्रोकोडाइल क्या कहता है? क्रोकोडाइल छिपकली से कहता है कि मैं आपसे 5 गुना बड़ा हूं, मतलब लेंथ. अब देखो, हम छिपकली की लेंथ मीटर में तो कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो इतनी तो लेंथ नहीं रहती उसकी, और बकायदा क्रोकोडाइल इज वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इन मीटर्स, राइट ना? सो सी हियर. Observe the length of lizard in centimeter and the length of crocodile in meter. So we have to convert their length into same unit. तो हमें क्या करना है? या तो क्रोकोडाइल की लेंथ है वो सेंटीमीटर में करो, या फिर जो लिजर्ड की छिपकली की लेंथ है वो उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. ओके, सो वी विल डू द सिंपलेस्ट वन, दैट वी कैन कैलकुलेट द रेशियो ऑफ देयर लेंथ. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट द लेंथ ऑफ क्रोकोडाइल इन सेंटीमीटर. So the length of crocodile, suppose it is 4 meter. Okay, so 4 into 100 we get 400 centimeter, right? Therefore the ratio of the length of crocodile to the length of lizard is 400 upon 20. Okay, so if we simplify it, we get 20 upon 1, that is 20 as to 1. Then next, two quantities can be compared only if their units if they are in the same unit. अब ये देखो आप लोग कि हम अगर किसी की कंपैरिजन या फिर किसी का रेशो करते हैं तो उसका यूनिट कैसे होना चाहिए, सेम यूनिट होना चाहिए. Okay, suppose we are calculating the length of your book and notebook, so it should be in, both should be in meters, both should be in centimeter, not meter, sorry. If we are calculating the distance from Surat to Mumbai, okay, and Mumbai to we can say Jaipur, okay, so it should be, both distance should be in kilometers, right now. So the unit of the two quantity which are going to compare should be equal. Now what is the ratio of the length of lizard to length of crocodile? अब हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. देखो 20 is the length of lizard and 400 is the length of crocodile. So 0 0 will be cancelled. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4 and 0. It is 1:20. Then observe that the 1:20 and 20:1 are different from each other. The ratio 1:20 is the length of lizard to the length of crocodile, whereas 20:1 is the ratio of length of crocodile to length of lizard. देखो रेशियो भी अलग अलग होते हैं. अगर हमने लिजार्ड का क्रोकोडाइल से कंपेयर किया तो ऊपर लिजार्ड की ही लेंथ आनी चाहिए, राइट? If we are writing in the numerator the length of crocodile, then you have to write the length of crocodile in front of it. Get it? जिस तरीके से हम रेशियो लिख रहे हैं हमें एक्सप्रेस भी वैसे ही करना ही है. Okay, if you are first taking the length of lizard, then you have to mention the length of lizard on the numerator. Get it? Fine. Let's take the next example. Now consider another example. The length of a pencil is 80 centimeter and the diameter is 80 mm. So what is the ratio of diameter of pencil to its length? Since the length and the diameter of the pencil are given in different unit, we first need to convert them into same unit. देखो लेंथ यानी डायमीटर दिया है पेंसिल का. सो ऑफ कोर्स यू नो पेंसिल का डायमीटर मीन्स कौन सी साइड दी होगी, ओके, बट वो तो मिलीमीटर में ही होगी और लेंथ सेंटीमीटर में होगी, लेकिन दोनों यूनिट डिफरेंट है ना. सो वी इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग व्हाट इज जस्ट बिफोर वी स्टडी हियर दैट द यूनिट ऑफ द बोथ क्वांटिटी शुड बी सेम. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, मीटर को सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट करेंगे या सेंटीमीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, राइट? So thus the length of pencil should be 80 centimeter. So we will convert it into 80 into 10, 180 mm. The ratio of diameter of the pencil to the length of the pencil is 8/180. That is 2/45. Okay. Think of the some more situation where you compare two quantity of same type in different unit. Use the concept of ratio in many situations of our daily life without realizing we to do so. Comparing drawing A and drawing B looks more natural than A. अब देखो पेज नंबर 246 पे नीचे दो ड्राइंग दिए हैं. ओके, इट इज ऑफ बॉय. ओके, सो दोनों ड्राइंग में हमें तो पता चलता है ये बॉय का ड्राइंग है. तो उसमें से नेचुरल मतलब which is more considered that this is the boy. Okay, so we can say the picture B is good one, right? क्योंकि इसके बॉडी पार्ट सही तरीके से ड्रॉ किए हैं. So we can compare B is greater or we can say more natural than A. Okay, so see here the length of picture A is too long in comparison to the length of body parts, right? So because of its normally expect certain ratio the length of the legs to the whole body. Okay, so B picture will be the same. Now compare the two picture of pencil. अब ये देखो दो पेंसिल्स के पिक्चर्स हैं, तो इसमें रियल पिक्चर का ड्राइंग कौन सा होगा? दिस वन ना, बिकॉज इतनी बड़ी तो हार्डली कोई पेंसिल होगी. दिस इज द रियल ड्राइंग ऑफ अ पेंसिल. Compare two pictures of a pencil. Is it okay, I'm sorry. One looking like a full pencil? No, why not? This reason is the thickness and the length of pencil are not in correct ratio. ये पेंसिल अपने रियल पेंसिल जैसी नहीं लग रही है, क्योंकि जो रियल पेंसिल होती है उसकी लेंथ और उसकी विड्थ इसके ऐसी तो नहीं होती, राइट ना? Okay, now let's start our next topic. same ratio in different situations.